So the focus of our presentation was on interdisciplinary studies at City Tech. We focused on interdisciplinary learning objectives within the many courses we have at City Tech that are interdisciplinary, and we gave some really great examples of the assessment tools used to measure those objectives, particularly the ones that were experiential and place-based.
We also focused on how we use Open Lab, our central sort of clearinghouse, for showcasing our interdisciplinary courses as a way also of interacting with our students in a very visual kind of format. It's also a site where students can showcase their course projects.
So one of the impacts on students that the interdisciplinary studies at City Tech has is allowing students to explore really complex problems from various disciplinary perspectives. So students get a clear understanding of what types of questions and answers to expect from one discipline and clear examples of what not to expect from others. Another benefit is that I curate my reading material for my students using open educational resources. So that eliminates the cost of textbooks for students entirely, and it allows me to offer content pulling from several different disciplines. So it's a good use of library services as well as our website platform, Open Lab, and it's cost friendly for students.
I think the impact of introducing experiential learning, whether it be place-based or site-based kind of research, really helps students to understand a research project that they undertake for a semester project. It adds a new dimension through the actual experience of visiting a site and incorporating the information and the visual and the other kinds of data that they collect from that site into their project. Adds an incredible dimension to what the research project meant to them in the end. I mean, in many cases, students report that we see evidence that they've learned something more that just goes beyond having done library-based research, and that was it.
We also have an interdisciplinary committee, which is comprised of faculty that work to really encourage faculty to create interdisciplinary courses or to convert existing courses into an interdisciplinary format, which is either co-teaching or having a series of guest lectures. And another function of the committee that I think is really important is being able to hear the concerns of faculty teaching interdisciplinary courses. So we think it's a very essential role to the curriculum development at City Tech.
Another thing that faculty participating in the committee gain from that experience is that it leads to a lot of opportunities for scholarship and research and collaborating with others on interdisciplinary projects, research, and pedagogy.